So guys, we're back, and there's no light, absolutely no light, which is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And my remote is missing. I'm actually not kidding.
Every time I do the laundry, like I'm not.
Just there if we don't even have children.
You're not listening.
Might have found
I said,
it.
Okay, fine. Here.
Kind of noticed the light.
Put clothes in there.
Oops.
Put the pile.
So we're right here, guys. By the light, all the way back here. If you notice, I got a slime. If you notice this angle. Or how is that happening? If I'm not touching the remote, might be hippos. Struggle. This is part 2, by the way, or maybe a connection of my video. But I have purple clear one, the one that was so disastrous. I did a lot of activity, as you can tell, because there's a lot of confetti in it, and there shouldn't be that much, and so I may have overactivated, which caused the problem to get worse, because now it's all wet. But I underactivated by adding lotion, which is very smart, because I wouldn't have a slime if I didn't. It took me about 5 minutes. It's pretty simple. I threw away the bags. I'm going to need to get new bags soon. Which is what we're going to do. This is slime. Let's see, we did the orange one. No, we didn't do that one. We did the blue, and then we did, yeah, we only did number 1. Was number 2 this one? I thought this was number 3. Wait, well, we don't really remember, but I think this is, alright, if I said something before, I'll be right back. I may have at one point, and you get to see all the slimes now because of my mistakes. I may have at one point said that this was, I'm missing one. Oh, it's oh no, we can't open. Oh no, disasters. This is number 1. It's going to stay number 1. I might have said this is number 2, or this is number 2. Or this is number 2, but I highly doubt it's this one. So, it actually might be that one. Now we're going to say those aren't it. This is now number 1 still. And now number 2 is changed or stayed to this purple one. And that was bad, and then I had to stop, and yeah, it was all disastrous. Yeah. Overactivated, then put lotion. Now it's perfect. Beautiful. Fantastical slime. But I need a bin for it, so we'll be right back. Alright, we're back, guys, and I hit this one. Just a copy do that. Here's the crystal clear. I recommend using double zipper. This is the best way to go. Anyways, there is a slime. I'm going to show you that it's not sticky like the other one. It might be tiny sticky. We're scrunching it. Let it go and take one tiny piece. Right there. That's it. Just a tiny stick. Now we're just gonna open the bag and scoot over a little.
Close the door.
Open the bag, place it in there. Oh, it's in there. Kinda looks like a hamster. Alright, that's one. And it's not a hamster. Just so you guys know. Because it'd be falling and it'd be dead. But it's not, as you can tell, it's just squishy. They're just squished. Alright, that's going there. That's going there. This is 1, and this is 2. 3, we're going to say, is this one. It's a nice aqua bluish one. I like it. It's kind of my favorite color. I like all types of blue. We have 2 blues. This is one of the blues. This is another one that I'm showing you. And then this is another blue, the dark blue. I got many shades of blue. This is probably the darkest. This is the lightest. This is medium. Yeah, medium. This one's a favorite. It's perfect, not sticky whatsoever. And it's cool. I like it. It's not clear glue again. It's regular glue. And I added a teensy bit of shaving cream. And if you want your slimes to be a little softer, because this one's actually a little hard, I have some lotion that I'm going to add in a second. Oops. I may have been a little too much. Comment down below before I show you guys if this was a little too much to add, because I don't want to add that much. If so, let me know. And if it wasn't, you have to like this video. If it was, you have to like this video. Oh, I think it was. Oh, it feels really. I think he's having surgery or a heart attack or something. Something just flew out of him. It was a little weird. Considering maybe the fact that there was a spider or something in here. What is this? I think it's confetti, to be honest, but I threw it away already. This one rips easy, like all slimes do, but it's very stretchy. It's not non-stretchy, it's very stretchy. Touches the wall and it broke. Alright, so it's pretty long in the granite. It can stretch for a very good distance. It's nice, but when you do this, let me do it properly. Look at that, it's starting to break. You can't really see anything, but it was starting to break. This doesn't look purple anymore. It looks kind of like blackish purple. Looks horrible. It's like it died or something. It's dying or something. I don't know. There's something wrong with it. It's really like, it's not even purple for me. Kind of like it. Well, that was last. The next one's the orange one. This is another one of my favorites. Probably was my favorite when I first made it. It was perfect and everything. I give a big shout out to Zoe, who doesn't have a channel or anything, but she's one of my friends, and she made this slime for me. It's like my favorite. So this one we used, I don't remember what type of glue, so let me see. We used the regular glue. And when I was making this, it was simple steps. I'll add it with some some regular white glue. I took orange dye and placed it in here completely so it was orange and mixed it around. And I added some shaving cream, lots of shaving cream. Like you couldn't even see the slime anymore. The whole bowl was just full of shaving cream pretty much. And then I mixed it up, added activator, and this is what it turned out to be. It's kind of just like, you play ball with it or something. Wait, watch this. Look at that. See this? It's a net. See this? It can get stuck, I believe, on the net. Can it? I don't want it to, but I want to shoot it. Let's go! First try. I'm going to move that because I don't want that to get in trouble. Okay. I'm going to shoot from farther. Okay? Shooting from here now. We're over here. Now we're back here. Making it into a ball. Let's go. And now, I'm going to turn it. I'm going to shoot it from all the way. I was here. No. You can't even see me on camera anymore. Oh. Come on. Let's can try. I'll take it. That's insane. That was close. Yeet. That was close. And last shot. Yeet. That was awesome. Let's go. Actually, you know what's funny is, that's where that is. If you take a few steps back to me and go to here, it's my room. My room is very close to that section. It's also very close to the bathroom. It's very close to the hall. I don't want to pause so I can show you guys around my house for a little bit. But now, so that was that. It's pretty fun. It's probably really hairy now. You don't have to. You have something. You don't want to have it. Well, there's probably more here. Yep, there's some right here. Can't get it out. That's a problem. Well, you know what? We're gonna finish this video with the best slime of all. It's actually a little lotiony, but still very cool. Or it's Activate. Give me a second. It's this blue slime. I love it. It's like my favorite, but it's a little Activate. So we're gonna add some lotion. I'm gonna use this. I went to Bath and Body Works and got this. I love Bath and Body Works. Okay. Might be a little too much. Or we can use some for ourselves. Comment down below if that's too much. For this little thing, it might be a lot.